Embracing Nature's Gift, celebrating World Forestry Day. World Forestry Day, also known as International Day of Forests, is a global observance that celebrates the vital role of forests in sustaining life on Earth. Originating from a deep rooted appreciation for nature's bounty, this day serves as a reminder of our interconnectedness with the environment and the responsibility we hold to protect and preserve our planet's precious forests. World Forestry Day traces its root back to the early 20th century when conservationists recognized the urgent need to address deforestation and promote sustainable forest management practices. The day was officially established by the United Nations in 2012 to raise awareness about the importance of forests in mitigating climate change, conserving biodiversity, and supporting livelihoods around the world. Forests are often referred to as the lungs of the earth, as they play a crucial role in regulating the global climate and maintaining ecological balance. Beyond their environmental significance, forests provide a wide range of social, economic, and cultural benefits to communities worldwide, from providing clean air and water to serving as habitats for countless plant and animal species. Forests enrich our lives in immeasurable ways. World Forestry Day serves as a platform for raising awareness about the threats facing forests and the urgent need for conservation efforts. Though educational initiatives, community outreach programs, and advocacy campaigns, individuals and organizations come together to promote sustainable forestry practices, combat deforestation, and restore degraded forest landscapes. As we celebrate World Forestry Day, let us pause to reflect on the beauty and wonder of our planet's forests. From towering trees to vibrant undergrowth, each leaf, branch, and creature is a testament to nature's resilience and creativity. Let us express our gratitude for the gifts that forests bestow upon us and recommit ourselves to protecting and preserving these invaluable ecosystems for future generations. On World Forestry Day, let us rekindle our connection to nature and reaffirm our commitment to environmental stewardship. By working together to safeguard our forests, we can ensure a sustainable future for all living beings on Earth. Let us honor the spirit of this day by taking action to protect and preserve the world's forest day and every day. Join us on the Ahem Quotes YouTube channel as we celebrate World Forestry Day and explore the wonders of nature. Together, let's raise awareness, inspire actions, and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the beauty and importance of forests in our lives. Until then, stay motivated, stay inspired, and stay amazing.